As a leader in water-activated tape and dispensing machines, Intertape Polymer Group recognizes that the growing scale of online business requires many different packaging solutions. We are proud to introduce the Kirby Mini Taper, a lightweight, manual, water-activated tape dispenser. Small businesses competing in the growing e-commerce markets may now confidently package shipments with proven, secure seals and a professional look that delivers on their brand's promise. Let's get familiar with your Kirby Mini Taper. The Kirby Mini Taper is a lightweight, portable yet sturdy, water-activated tape dispenser that is intuitively designed to wet and dispense water-activated tape. Its small footprint and portability make it ideal for small business who have established a following for their products online. Now with the Kirby Mini Taper and the Kirby water-activated tape, small business can truly pack like the pros. To add water, remove the water tank by simply pushing on the icon in the front. Once water is added to the tank, just insert it back into the slot and click it into place to secure it. Here is the tape dispensing lever. Push it down to dispense the water-activated tape. Once the tape comes out, push the cutting lever to cut the tape. There are icons on both levers that indicate the functions. Remove the cover of the dispenser to add or remove tape rolls. To put the cover back, just click it into place. Preparing to use your Kirby Mini Taper. Prepare the Kirby Mini Taper for use by adding water to the water tank. Again, just push on the front water icon to pop the tank out of position. Take special note of the position of the brush, which is key to proper usage. Notice that the angle of the brush bristles are even and flat against the top of the water tank. The Better Packages logo on the front of the brush must be facing the back of the tank. Note that there is a min and max line on the tank, and add approximately 8 ounces of water until you reach the maximum water line. Close the lid and push the tank back into the front of the machine and click it into place. Loading the water-activated tape. It's now time to load water-activated tape into the Kirby Mini Taper. Pull up on the back of the cover to remove it. On the inside of the machine, there are 2 rollers. The front roller is stationary. The rear roller pivots upwards so that you can slide the tape roll into the machine. The orientation of the tape is very important. You need to make sure that the shiny side is facing down and goes over both rollers. Before you route the tape, take a pair of scissors and cut a nice clean edge to avoid tape jams. Once the tape is in the correct position, pull down on the dispensing lever. Taping your carton. You are ready to effectively seal your carton using the Kirby Mini Taper. Note on the front of the machine that there is a ruler indicating that one full stroke of the dispensing lever gives you 10 inches of tape. In this case, we have a box that is approximately 10 inches wide, so we want to make sure that we have an additional 3 inches of tape on each side for a strong seal. To accomplish this, we are going to use a pump and a half of tape to give us that extra length. Cut the tape and stick half of it on the carton's flap longwise. Smooth out the tape, fold your edges in, seal your carton, and press the tape a few times to make sure it's smoothed out and that the glue has adhered properly. Your package is now securely sealed. The Kirby Mini Taper, together with Kirby water-activated tape, combine to provide a system solution unmatched in the market when it comes to e-commerce and packaging like the pros. Count on IPG.